perfect. I love it. Thank you for painting it.
It is awesome.
You put like butterflies all over it, flowers, bumblebees. Yes! Ladybugs. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's way better than I even like imagined it. Thank you.
You want to take the cover off to pound it down in there, huh? I would have it facing this way.
Oh my god, that's so awesome.
Is it going right there?
In between those two big bushes, but on the edge that way, right? In front of that prickly bush.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh my
You
God,
can't
how
make that
awesome.
big hole.
Look at my pretty butterflies and flowers and bees and grasshoppers.